Ukraine's determined stand against Russia's invasion keeps yielding results in early March 2026. Russia's hoped-for winter offensive has collapsed into serious reversals. In the south, around Zaporizhzhia, and especially near Hulyapol, Moscow's months-long push to advance has been halted. Ukrainian forces began effective counterattacks from late January, reclaiming ground and forcing Russian units backward. Recent reports from Ukrainian commanders and President Zelensky indicate that since the start of 2026, Ukraine has regained roughly 460 square kilometers in the southern region, more territory recovered than lost recently. This marks a significant shift, the first net territorial gain for Ukraine since mid-2023, with settlements near Oleksandrivka, Hulyapol, and others retaken through coordinated assaults and resilient defense. Russia's strain is evident in troop movements, elite formations, including elements of the 76th Airborne Division and the 40th Naval Infantry Brigade, have been pulled from key eastern areas like near Pokrovsk and shifted south to reinforce the line. This redeployment highlights Moscow's limited reserves, requiring sacrifices in one sector to stabilize another. Drone operations have transformed the battlefield. Ukrainian FPV and specialized units routinely detect and destroy Russian armor, supply convoys, and even air defense systems on contact. Mechanized assaults shredded, infantry positions hammered with precision. Deeper strikes intensify the pressure. On March 7th, coordinated ATACMS and Scout missiles hit a major Russian facility near Donetsk airport, targeting Shahed drone storage, preparation, and launch sites, causing massive fires and secondary explosions that crippled aerial threats before they could launch. Russia's advances crawl at mere meters daily in many spots, signaling exhaustion. Ukraine's mix of active defense, innovative domestic tech, and Western-backed systems has disrupted Kremlin plans, blunting potential spring pushes and compelling reactive shifts. The struggle remains intense and costly, yet these frontline gains underscore Ukraine's enduring strength, holding firm, reclaiming key ground, and altering momentum in critical areas.